Welcome to Ottawa and Gatineau. Whether you are just driving through the city for a weekend getaway or settling down for a permanent job in the region, the cities have some really awesome sights and activities for you and your family to enjoy. Heck, we even have an alpaca farm. How could you resist that cute face? Ottawa and Gatineau are divided by the Ottawa River. To the east of the river, there's the city of Ottawa, and to the west, there's the city of Gatineau. Together, they form the National Capital Region. Now let me show you my favorite corners. In the spring, when trees and flowers are in full bloom, Ottawa offers us an additional treat by putting over 300,000 tulips on display all over the city. It's quite amazing to see the pop of color at every street corner. This tradition has been maintained since the post-World War II era, and my favorite place to enjoy the blossom is Major Hills Park. Not only will you see tulips, but there are also apple blossom and cherry blossom for you to enjoy. It's also quite a good place for you to lounge around on a sunny day. Taverns on the Hill is the outdoor bar that's also right next door, so you can just step over and grab a drink with your friends or picnic at the park. If you're not much of a tulips person, you can still get a great view of Parliament Hill, and you can walk around and play frisbee or just enjoy the sun. I don't know about you, but my favorite type of summer nights are firework nights. In addition to the beautiful Canada Day show, in August, the Casino Lac Les Amis presents 5 different fireworks shows over the Ottawa River. I love the energy of the crowds, especially when the anticipation is building for the ending and everyone is visibly impressed and cheering for all the beautiful work that has been put into the show. Ever wanted to fly a plane? The Rockcliffe Flying Club offers introductory flight courses and sightseeing flights in the Greater Capital Region. I went in the fall and it was breathtaking as we got an unparalleled view of Gatineau Park. The autumn colors were even more vibrant from this vantage point. I do have one caveat for people who are prone to motion sickness. The plane can get quite shaky at times, so go grab a pack of gravel at the pharmacy before you board. I believe this flight course is actually quite affordable. You can go visit their website for the full pricing menu. In my humble opinion, no one knows how to wine and dine better than the French Canadians. That is why I would recommend that you head over to Old Hall to go grab brunch, enjoy dinner, or just go grab a drink with your friends. Here's a short list of my favorite restaurants that I have been visiting again and again, and I want to share them with you guys. If you like tapas-style food or really good dessert, then Les Vilains Garçons is definitely the best place to go. Coq du Con offers excellent brunches at a very affordable price point. And at the corner of Wright and Saint-Jacques, you will find Le Cellier. It's in a house, but they offer you the best possible French food and 5-course meals. This is a good spot to bring a date and try to impress them. Right next door, you'll be finding Rustic, a restaurant that has 4.8 stars on Google. The menu items here are not only creative, but also very beautiful. Take a short stroll on Alexandria Bridge and I guarantee that you will be rewarded with one of the best views of Parliament Hill. Next to the bridge, you will find the beautiful National Gallery of Canada and the world-famous spider sculpture, Maman. This is an excellent photo op and you can even get a closer look of the innards of the spider. I find the juxtaposition between the sculpture and the Notre Dame Cathedral very interesting, and I sometimes wonder if it was intentional. Next, I'll be showing you guys around Bywood Market, where a lot of fancy boutiques, good restaurants, and tourist traps all coexist together. If you're a fan of wine and Asian fusion, then Play Food and Wine is the restaurant for you. The menu is designed with the best food and wine pairing in mind. If you have a bigger budget and want something fancier, I would suggest you head over to 18. It's one of the most upscale and finest establishments in Ottawa. Right next to it, you will find Side Door, another fusion restaurant that serves tapa-style food. The food here comes in small portions, so you may need to order more than one item. If you want to take full advantage of the nice weather, you can go dine on the patios of the Courtyard restaurant. It is a very calm and serene outdoor space with beautiful trees and buildings surrounding you. Alternatively, if you want to be somewhere more lively and boisterous, there are a ton of bars and pubs for you to pick from. If you just want a quick snack, head over to Ottawa's famous beaver tail stand for a succulent pastry. Don't worry, these are not real beaver tails, they're just pastries. At night, you can get a beautiful view of the Ottawa River near the Fairmont Hotel. You can take some spectacular nighttime photos around here, and if you have time, you can also drop by the lobby of the Fairmont Hotel. It is open to the public. Another fun family activity that is available every night from July to September is the Sound and Light Show on Parliament Hill. The presentation lasts 30 minutes and is projected on the center block building. Here's a sneak peek. The program is presented in both official languages, and it teaches you a bit about the Canadian history and economic landscape. I find it really fun. So that is all for today's activities I wanted to present to you guys. I hope it inspired you to go out there and explore more of Ottawa. It is not the sleepy city that people say it is. There's actually a lot to do and explore, and especially if you love nature, Gatineau Park is fantastic. So thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye!